Farewell to old England forever. I left Thatcher and never went back. What a travesty at the Old Bailey. You've taught.
Thank you very much, Mariko. You make us proud to be in the seat of our beloved leader, Anthony Albanese, who will free Julian Assange, who will allow him to walk free to his family and return to the beautiful shores of Australia where he belongs. So let's all keep tuning and keep hoping and keep, well, I don't want to use the word praying, but let's just make this happen.